Hi there, welcome to Tercen. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your data using the most common file types. I'll quickly create a new project in my how-to team. On the project screen, data is added by pressing this button. Choose from the list of file types we support. Let's pick Excel to start. Browse to your file and select it. You can change how it's listed on your project if you like. Hit upload and you're done. For Excel files, there are a couple of restrictions to bear in mind. We currently only support the modern Excel file types. You'll know this by an extension that reads like .xlsx. The older .xls type won't upload here. It will have to be converted first. The other thing to note is that only the first sheet on your Excel file will load. So if you have data on multiple sheets, you'll need to save them into separate files and upload them one at a time. Okay, let's take a look at another file type. This time, let's pick delimited text. These are ordinary text files where a character has been assigned to mark out the columns of your data. In theory, it could be any character, but the most common ones used are comma or tab. You often see the file extension change to .csv or .tsv. Let's pick this one. You can browse and rename as we saw before. Tercen detects how your text file was put together, and normally you can just upload from here. If you hit a problem, you can adjust settings to make Tercen handle your file differently. I'll go through the options. Tercen automatically takes the first row of your data as headers, but you can set it to start your data from row 1, and Tercen will create generic headers for you. Text files can be encoded to different character sets. Tercen detects the one it thinks was used, but you can override it. If you have more than one delimiting character in your file, you can select it here. On a text file, long passages are usually enclosed with quote marks, especially to prevent a natural comma in a sentence for being mistaken as a delimiter. Lastly, some data files are annotated with comments by researchers. Usually comments are marked with a special character at the start of the line. You can select that character here and Tercen will ignore the line when it imports. This screen is to review your data before it loads. You can rename headers. You can also select whether Tercen treats your data as text or numeric, or even ignores it entirely. It's worth noting that if Tercen detects a non-numeric character in any of your data fields, even a single one, it will mark the whole column as text. If you select it to be numeric, it will treat the offending character field as nan, which means not a number. This might be okay for you, or maybe that value is important to your calculations, and you'll have to clean the character out of your original file and re-upload it. Hit upload when you're done. As you see, uploading data to Tercen is a simple process. Files can be a generic type like Excel, or a specific machine type, and we'll add more as they're developed. Thanks for watching.